Hey guys, how are you guys doing? My name is Mai Ger Vang. Like what Pastor David said, I'm from here, Milwaukee, from Graceful Lines. How do you guys came yesterday? It's pretty loud. Are you guys cold? I'm really cold. Alright. Well, also this is Sam Xiong. He's also from here too. He's gonna be playing guitar for me. And the song that I'm gonna be singing today is Devotion by Hillsong. Now, I wanted to choose a song that kind of goes with the theme on fire or gusha. It's basically talking about like, devotion, being devoted to God. And, being devoted to God, you have to be passionate and living a lifestyle for Him and, being devoted. And also, like, when I was in California last year, I heard this little sermon gave by one of my friends that I met. She was like, we're just like matches in a box, Are we going to be chosen to be lit? Or are we just in there? Or are we a match that's already been burnt out? And that's something that really stuck to me, Sometimes we may be blown out, or sometimes, maybe we're not lit yet. But I hope that just sticks to you as it has stuck to me. So I hope you guys are blessed to hear the song, as I've been blessed with this great opportunity to sing the song to you guys.